Mastering critical process parameters. Critical process parameters must ignite a green revolution in operations. How do you guarantee that the defined critical process parameters, CPPs, are comprehensively aligned with, and effectively support, the organization's overarching environmental and sustainability objectives, thereby ensuring a harmonious integration of operational excellence with eco-friendly and socially responsible practices? To guarantee comprehensive alignment of critical process parameters, CPPs, with an organization's environmental and sustainability objectives, and ensure harmonious integration of operational excellence with eco-friendly and socially responsible practices, the following systematic approach can be implemented. 1. CPP identification and prioritization. Identify the most critical processes that have the greatest impact on the organization's environmental and sustainability performance. This can be achieved through a thorough analysis of the organization's value chain, supply chain, and operational activities. Prioritize CPPs based on their potential environmental and social impact, as well as their relevance to the organization's overall sustainability strategy. 2. Establish clear sustainability objectives. Clearly define and communicate the organization's environmental and sustainability objectives, ensuring they are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. These objectives should be aligned with international standards and frameworks, such as the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs. 3. Integrate sustainability into CPP design. Ensure that CPPs are designed with sustainability in mind. This can be achieved by incorporating environmental and social impact assessments into the design process. For example, when designing a new manufacturing process, consider the environmental impact of raw material sourcing, energy consumption, and waste generation. 4. CPP risk assessment and mitigation. Conduct comprehensive risk assessments to identify potential environmental and social risks associated with CPPs. Develop and implement mitigation strategies to minimize these risks, ensuring that CPPs are designed to minimize harm to the environment and society. 5. Process mapping and benchmarking. Map out CPPs to identify areas of potential environmental and social impact. Benchmark the organization's performance against industry best practices, regulatory requirements, and international standards to ensure CPPs are aligned with sustainability objectives. 6. Performance metrics and KPIs. Establish clear performance metrics and key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure the organization's environmental and sustainability performance. These metrics should be aligned with CPPs and sustainability objectives, enabling the organization to track progress and identify areas for improvement. 7. Training and capacity building. Provide training and capacity building programs for employees, suppliers, and contractors to ensure they understand the organization's sustainability objectives and CPPs. This will enable them to make informed decisions that support sustainable practices and minimize environmental and social impacts. 8. Supplier engagement and collaboration. Engage with suppliers and contractors to ensure that they align with the organization's sustainability objectives and CPPs. Collaborate with suppliers to implement sustainable practices and minimize environmental and social impacts throughout the supply chain. 9. Continuous monitoring and improvement. Establish a continuous monitoring and improvement process to ensure CPPs remain aligned with sustainability objectives. This includes regular assessments, audits, and reviews to identify areas for improvement and implement changes as needed. 10. Stakeholder engagement and communication. Engage with stakeholders, including employees, customers, suppliers, and the broader community, to communicate the organization's sustainability objectives and CPPs. This fosters a culture of transparency, accountability, and collaboration, ensuring that the organization's sustainability performance is aligned with stakeholder expectations. 11. Innovation and technology. Encourage innovation and the adoption of new technologies that support sustainability objectives and CPPs. This can include the implementation of sustainable materials, energy-efficient systems, and waste reduction strategies. 12. External assurance and certification. Obtain external assurance and certification, such as ISO 14001, Environmental Management, and ISO 26000, Social Responsibility, to demonstrate the organization's commitment to sustainability and CPPs. By implementing these measures, organizations can ensure that their CPPs are comprehensively aligned with their environmental and sustainability objectives, supporting a harmonious integration of operational excellence with eco-friendly and socially responsible practices.